Hello my dear friends, I'm Kirill and today we will take a look at one more LEGO Speed Champions set 76915 Pagani Utopia. On the back side of the box we have a small picture of the real car and a few photos of LEGO model. Of course we have instruction, two plastic bags with pieces, chassis, new piece. We have already seen it in another review of Speed Champions sets of 2023, and very tiny sticker sheet. I like this set. It's ideal Speed Champions set. It has only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stickers. The set has very cool minifigure with helmet and range. Of course, the chassis updated in this year to make the models with more realistic proportions. Also updated wheel arcs and many very small pieces, including 4 doors. Yeah, this supercar will have 4 doors. After the first stage we have the rear part of the car. You can see seats, mirrors and very cool structure in the back. These two pieces are printed. First stickers were applied here, and here you can see 4 doors, tail lights and very cool window with engine imitation inside. Step number 2 contains 4 wheels, 2 sets of discs, surprisingly skates, 2 more wheel arcs, printed windshield, steering wheel, this strange piece, and also 2 these special wedges or slopes. The length of this piece is 5 studs. It has a special cut here, and this is new part of 2023. Also here we have pneumatic junctions in black and printed headlights and a lot of small pieces. And this is our model. I really like how it looks. It looks very futuristic, very unusual. The front part is very interesting. Here you can see skates, and these skates are connected to pneumatic junctions. Also here we can see side studs, slope and inverted subassembly here, and also this part, but yeah, it's bad that it's not fixed properly, but it forms pretty tricky shape. And the rear part also looks very unusual, very interesting. Yeah, I like the design of this model. And of course we can open the window. Here is our pilot. The steering wheel is just in front of pilot. It's very good. And I don't know what to say more. I like this model. Pretty cool for shelf and maybe as a toy too. But of course, if you play with this model, you should be a bit careful because of this a bit wobbly parts. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!